So I've got these SIP chainsaw trousers. They're from the Progress range and it's the Samourai model. I thought it would be good to do a quick review of them so you can see what they're like and decide if they're worth the cost. So starting at the top, the fastener, there's actually a little clip that goes in there as well as a press stud, so there's a double fastening there which should help make it secure. Lots of very thickly sewn belt loops. There's a few loops around the edge, one at the back and two at the front, which I guess are for if you want to attach braces onto them. For the pockets, the front pocket on each side, interestingly the zip is open when it's up and closed when it's down, which I think is quite a neat feature in terms of them not coming open accidentally. So one of them on each side. There's a little side pocket with a press stud on it. That's the kind of thing I normally would keep a little knife in. Then on the back there's one back pocket, and that actually has a flap over it sealed with a press stud and then a zip as well. So plenty of pockets. Also on the back are a couple of air vent zips which you can open up on the back of the legs to get a bit more fresh air to keep you cool in hot weather. I think one of the key things for these is actually that they come in different lengths. So these are actually the short leg ones, which work for me, but you can get normal and long ones as well, so you get different sizes for different people. In terms of the material, a lot of it is what they call cordura, which is very, very hard wearing, and it's also Teflon coated. They've actually supplied it with a range of little samples here, which I guess are for patching it up if you get a tear and you want to repair it. There's also extra reinforcement around the knees, and right down at the bottom you've got a couple of little hooks attached so that you could hook them into your boots to stop the trousers riding up at all. So that's a kind of overview of the kind of features that are on them. I'm going to head off to the woods and try them out, and I'll do a bit more on the video later to tell you how they went. So I've had a couple of days in the woods. I've got the new chainsaw trousers dirty. I'd say they're exceptionally comfortable, definitely much lighter than the trousers that I had before. I think especially getting the short leg version has especially been suitable for me because they fit me better, so that's an added bonus. The pockets, I think I would have liked slightly bigger pockets. These aren't quite as deep as the ones I've had on the other trousers, but it's a fairly minor thing. All of the fastenings are good. The orange bit on the back is a slightly thinner material. I don't think it'll be a problem in terms of it wearing through at all, but you do get a few more kind of prickles from thorns on the back. But yeah, I think the biggest difference compared to my older ones is just that they're so much less bulky and actually lighter as well, and I think when I'm working in warmer weather they'll be a lot cooler too. So although they do cost quite a lot more than the cheapest trousers from SIP, I think for me they've definitely been worth it.